Does rubbing alcohol help poison oak? Have you ever found yourself wondering if rubbing alcohol can help with poison oak? If you enjoy camping or spending time in parks, this is an important question to consider. Poison oak can cause an itchy rash and blisters due to an oil called Urushiol. Knowing how to prevent and treat exposure is key for outdoor lovers. First, let's talk about what poison oak is. It belongs to the Anacardiaceae family, which also includes poison ivy and poison sumac. All these plants contain Urushiol, the culprit behind those uncomfortable allergic reactions. The rash and blisters are not contagious, but the oil can spread if it transfers from one part of your body to another or from contaminated objects. Now, let's get to the role of rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol can be effective in removing Urushiol from your skin. It works by dissolving the oil, which can help prevent a rash from forming if you apply it soon after exposure. However, there is a catch. Rubbing alcohol also strips away your skin's natural protective oils. This can make your skin more vulnerable to further Urushiol penetration if you encounter it again. So, what should you do if you are out in the wild and suspect you have come into contact with poison oak? Here are some practical steps to keep in mind. First, learn to identify poison oak, poison ivy, and poison sumac. This knowledge is your first line of defense. Next, wear protective clothing such as long sleeves and gloves when you are in areas where these plants are common. If you think you have been exposed, wash the affected area with soap and cool water as soon as you can. You can use rubbing alcohol within a few hours of exposure to help remove Urushiol. Additionally, make sure to clean any tools or pets that may have come into contact with the plants. This helps prevent indirect exposure later on. In summary, rubbing alcohol can assist in removing Urushiol from your skin, but it should be used carefully due to its effect on your skin's natural oils. The best approach when enjoying parks and campgrounds is to prevent exposure through awareness and protective measures.